Are you ready to eat animals?
Super ready. Let's try one of each. One of each.
Yeah, one of each. A little bit of scorpion in my mouth.
Tiene veneno, pero.
Eat it. Eat it. Eat the tail. Eat the tail. Don't be a pussy.
What's going on there?
Sawadika! So I'm here in Pattaya and we are going to the Sanctuary of Truth. Meet the family here. Emmy.
We are ready.
Who's behind me? Made.
Sawadika.
Dimi.
Look, man.
Joshua, Greta, and
GoPro 7
João Paulo.
have this display.
And horse, Big Peanut.
Oh, no, balls on
I know, it's just big balls. Big ball sack. Sawadika! 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 So this is the Sanctuary of Truth and there are 7 truths. What is the purpose of life? Society is a two-sided coin. It's very interesting. I will read it after. In the beginning. And there's the temple in the beach. That looks beautiful. I will just show you right now.
God. Wow.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Insane. Oh shit. Oh my god. Man, unbelievable. Huh?
What?
Oh my god. Time to cover our beautiful legs. Yeah, our beautiful legs.
I don't shave mine, so yours are a bit more beautiful.
Yeah, they are very beautiful. Alright, here we go. Wow. My god, man. Oh my god, look at this view. Oof. Man, how beautiful is this? This is one of the most impressive things I've seen. And let me tell you, this has been a big surprise and a very happy surprise. First, just see how many details this whole thing has around. And it's all about the difference between a good society and a bad society. And they talk about justice, gratefulness, family, do better, do good. And it's basically how to be a better human, how to self-develop in this world. And it's just a beautiful message and a beautiful temple that I'm very happy that I came here to see. So, kapung kap! My coconuto.
Coconutty.
Oh, look at this beauty. The tissues on the front in case you want to jerk off your penis. Okay, we got to this beach in Pattaya. We're gonna have a Thai haircut and then some Thai food. And then maybe some Thai party tonight. So let's see. Yeah? Man, go to the beach.
Zero.
Zero. Looking fresh, huh? Looking good. Con lo. Thanks so much. Thanks so much. Of course. Kasuai. Konsuai. Let's wash our hair. Thanks so much. Thank you. We have boobies here, yeah? Boobies? That's very good. He's very happy.
Can massage a little bit? Free massage.
Ooh, very good. Very. You said feet?
Free.
Free? Yeah, thanks so much. It's very good, very good. I feel very relaxed. It's good, huh? Con lo! Oh my god, look at this guy! Oh my god, look how beautiful! Beautiful, huh? Oh my god, thanks so much. Kapung kap, let me give you a hug. Thank you, kapung kap. Let me pay you also. Alright, just finished my haircut. This was 150 baht for the hair. Yeah, I washed my hair and everything is like $5. And ready to eat. I need to look for Josh because he left. Let's look for Josh. Alright, so here's the durian. I'm gonna try for the first time the stinkiest fruit in the world. Right now it doesn't stink, but I bought one and I'm going to try it and wish me good luck. Kapung kap. Kapung kap. You wanna try with me?
I want to see. Oh, not good.
Not good?
Yeah.
Fuck, they robbed me, huh?
200.
Oh, maybe you like. I like some same. This one.
I like them
this
old.
One.
I like them sweet.
Sorry. Nah. I don't like.
No? It's okay. I didn't like this one.
No, same, but.
Ah, this one is good, soft. I like soft. How should I eat this?
You like soft?
It doesn't stink. Should I just bite? Bite?
Yeah.
Oh my god, man. So disgusting.
Oh, actually. Okay. Oh,
Good.
it's okay. It's not that bad.
It's just so
For
smelly.
me, not okay.
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's weird, man. It's like it melts. Is this okay? It looks that.
Next time you want.
I'm gonna be sick, no?
For me, very good. เขาบอกว่าอร่อยมากเละอย่างเละ
Oh my god, it melts. It's like, oh my god, is it a fruit? It's so melty.
I don't even want to try. It's so
อ๋ออะไร
stinky.
จะไปหยิบมาให้เขา
Oh my god, the texture is so weird. Thank you, sir. Do you want half? You don't like?
Even the locals might they don't like it.
Yeah, the texture is very weird. I'm not sure if I like, if I don't like.
What can I say?
It's okay.
Still fun.
Yeah, it's not too old, too much.
Too much.
No, it's old. Like,
Yeah.
I cannot eat anymore.
Oh man, it looks like a vagina.
It doesn't. It's good. Vagina is good. Vagina is good, right?
Good.
Vagina. It's good. Yeah, it doesn't stink as much as I thought. But
Sweet.
a little bit. Not a fan. I'm not a fan.
I mean, how it
So, it didn't smell as bad as I thought. It didn't smell as bad as I thought. As you thought also.
it smelled.
They smell a little bit. The taste was a little bit sweet, but I don't think it's worth the sweetness from the smell it gives. And the texture, I think this one was very, oh fuck, mature, is that how you say it? Very old already?
Say strong. Strong.
It's already red, you know?
Overpowering.
Man, why is it raining on top of me? The texture was like I was eating baby's poop.
Oh man, what? Oh, so
Baby's
nothing.
poop, man.
Diarrhea.
Man, diarrhea. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. Durian, no. No durian. Let's have some food?
Dorian gets a no, huh?
Gets enough from me, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's get some food.
All right.
Let's get some proper, nice food.
Look at it. I would love some, but I'll try it. Oh, look at this sandwich. Alright, I will try one. Can I have one of these, please? What is this? It's I don't know. It's a sandwich with strawberry and milk, I think.
And milk.
Man, look.
Milk in
this.
it. Oh, smell it.
Man, how do I eat
It smells
this?
like. It smells like cottage cheese.
Man, this
You know
is not
cottage
correct.
cheese?
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Let's have a look.
Ah, it's cream, like.
Cream.
Ah, it's like cream, you know?
It's creamy.
Yeah, it's like whipped cream.
Ah, that
Ah, it's good. It's like a whipped cream strawberry sandwich.
That sounds good. And now to the next.
Alright. Yeah,
Let's
you want
go.
to try? Here's my first time having some mango sticky rice. At least like this. Look how beautiful this looks. Ice cream, some much stuff that I don't know what it is, and some rice. Very good ice cream. There's the rice. It's like made with condensed milk. Very sugary, very sweet yogurt ice cream, so it makes it a nice mix of flavors. It's not extremely sweet. Actually, believe it or not, the most sweet thing is the rice. It's very weird, but it's nice. Oh shit! Oh my god, man! Hey! Oh my god, man! So we just found a place that sells scorpions. We're gonna try one. It's animal, and that one is human body. Oh, I need to have that one also. I need to have cockroach. Of course. Yeah. Of course. I will have cockroach, scorpion, and big larva. And maybe small larva. One of each. And medium larva.
Yeah, why no, caralho.
And the crickets. Oh my god. I'm gonna have one of each.
Every one of each.
One of each. That cockroach looks so bad. Oh my god. Look. Oh bad. Look. Oh my god.
Hey, brother.
A little bit of scorpion in my mouth, a little bit of cockroach.
I will try.
Are you ready to eat the animals?
Brother, super ready. Let's try one of each. Caralho.
Mayo? I don't know. Scorpion. Oh my god. Muy bueno.
Pues tiene veneno, caralho.
Eat it. Eat the tail. Eat the tail. Don't be a pussy.
Let me take my.
Oh my god. Muy bueno.
Tipo papa frita.
So I got too drunk, I didn't do any outro. While I am dancing, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe right here and watch this last one in Penang. Thanks so much.